A teacher compares the number of practice tests students complete with their exam scores. The scatter plot shows that as practice tests increase, exam scores also increase in a straight line pattern, which best describes the data, right? If I want to illustrate this, so if we have, look at this scatter plot. So this is the test, right? The practice test, and we have the scores, right? And what happened is that the plot, this is how the scatter plot is going to look like, right? As the practice test increases, so does the scores increase, right? Now, let's look at the options. When you look at this, right, you just know that it's a positive uh, correlation, right? It's a positive linear correlation. Now, they said this is a non-linear. Of course, it already makes this wrong, right? It already makes A is already wrong by saying non-linear. So we eliminate A, right? A is not the answer. B, this is a linear association with a positive correlation between bivariate data. Why bivariate data? Because we are dealing with two variables. The score are increasing, making scores variables, a variable. The practice test, the number of practice tests are increasing, making it also a variable. So two variables compared together is a bivariate data. So those are bivariate. That is a bivariate data. So if yeah, that's what it is, right? So the answer is gonna be B. The answer is not C. It is not D. A negative correlation will look like it will look somewhat like this, right? It would be regressing like that. So that will be a negative correlation. It's regressing. So the best answer there is gonna be B. It is a positive linear association. It is a it is, it is a linear association with a positive correlation between bivariate data.